So instead of hello world, we are going to use the Android. So nothing you have to do, just click on the just the hello Android. So once again, I'm doing it already were highlighted, so I'm just highlighting this right here. Hello world. Instead of hello world, just right here hello Android. So this will be done, and this output you can see. This is white, and this is our area. Here you can see. So just click here hello Android, and come to the normal. You can also zoom this area. This is our hello, and no need to save anything. You can directly check in the Android. There's no need to save the data. Just thing you have to do, automatically the file get created, and you can open your folder that is given in the blue part. So this is how we do the hello Android. And to check this application, you have to go to, first you can directly click on the debug. Okay, so here now we don't have any devices targeted here, that's why I do not going to debug. Or else you can use the USB debugging, and that I will going to cover USB debugging in the next video. And we can see now you can do one thing, you can build check this by using the build APK. So do one thing, select here build, and click on the build bundle APK, build APK. When you click on the build APK, your file is going to build here. Wait a minute, the gradle is loading. You can see here. Once it will be loaded, you will be able to see. Then you have to download that app and file. You can download and you can run on your application. Please wait, that gradle is building. It will take a little bit time. It depends on your system.